Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set a zero-based budget with Lendingclub. It's going to be 5 quick steps, so let's get into it. Step number 1 is to open the Lendingclub mobile app and just tap Insights. This section shows your income, spendings, and recent transactions. Step 2 is to write down your total monthly income. Use direct deposit so that all money flows into your Lendingclub checking. Step 3 is to assign every dollar a job. Now in the Insights tab, you're going to create spending categories such as housing, food, debt, savings, and extra. Enter your planned amounts so that your income minus expenses is going to equal 0. Step 4 is to set up automatic transfers. Now for savings, go to transfer money and then schedule a recurring move from your checkings to savings on paydays. For debt, you want to use bill pay to schedule payments directly from Lendingclub. The final step is to track progress weekly. Now just open the app, compare planned amounts with your actual spendings, and adjust if categories are overspending. By repeating this monthly, every dollar is accounted for and nothing is left idle. That's a true zero-based budget. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.